Hi, I'm Dean Healy, and Deane Home Services from Normandy Park, Washington.
Sherry Healy.
For me, one of the reasons why I would go to the workshop is, or recommend the workshop, I have been involved in construction for most of my adult life in some form or another. Um, and I think I do construction really well. To me, the benefit of going to the workshop is um, it it helps me figure out the business development side of my company that I don't have the knowledge and expertise to create and generate the processes and the systems and the formats that I need to really grow my business. I was really surprised to know how small my margin was on projects that I was doing, and um, again, I think that goes back to the PSA, because you're not building a project from scratch. You're kind of just going into a project without really an idea of what you're doing. And you've told the customer it's going to be $35,000 to do your bathroom, but you don't even really know what you're doing. So how do you know how much it's going to cost?
Well, he bucked. He was just like, "Why am I going to this? I don't want to go to this.
I don't have a day.
I don't have a whole day that I can just give. Why am I going to this workshop?" I go, "I don't know, but they've been sending me emails for like months, and it kind of sounds too good to be true. But what do we have to lose?" So, um, and then I think in the first 5 minutes, Dean looked at me and just went, "Okay, this is kind of a no-brainer."